Namaste, this is Dr. Aishwarya, the Chief Physician from Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat.
Namaste, I am Dr. Valsala Devi. Let's talk about Kerala monsoon and Kerala Ayurveda treatments today. This is considered to be the season for rejuvenation and for the treatment of chronic illnesses. This includes Panchakarma, the diet, and the lifestyle that is to be followed for a year long of healthy living. Doctor, can you explain what are the treatments that are to be followed during the season?
Yeah, this is the monsoon rainy season where the whole, as you all know, the three dosha, where these are the three pillars of the Ayurveda on which we are working with, even the medicine, even the treatment. And by knowing the constitution, we'll be deciding with the treatment protocols, we'll be deciding with the medicines. So here you have to see what kind of doshic predominance is there, and especially while in Kerala during the monsoon, all the three doshas get increased. That's the usual pattern we get over here. So once you are here in a monsoon time to take over the treatment, we have got monsoon packages where we give treatment for the ill people, especially a combination of Panchakarma therapies where there goes with the detoxification, and Kerala Ayurveda Chikitsa like different Rasayana, the Nyavara Kiri, all those different types of different treatments. Mental physical rejuvenation. This all adds on with the treatment. So there is a detox treatment as well as a rejuvenative treatment which you can do, especially in the monsoon season. And also if you are not having any kind of particular illness or a particular health condition, if you are a healthy person, to maintain the health for the coming year also you can take over the different kinds of treatment. So here we particularly rely on different kinds of diet formations. Can you explain few diet formations?
So Karkitakam is known to be the season for the medical diet or the medicinal diet. Few herbs that spring up during the season and are potent in the Karkitaka month or the monsoon month are used in the preparation of various dishes like Patila Thoran and other soups. And also there is this famous Karkitaka Kani, which is a porridge with the medicinal powders, which is very strengthening, very good for the digestive system and immune boosting.
It's have a special rice called Nyavara.
This rice, Navara, it is grown in 90 days and it is said to improve the strength of the body within that very short span. It is very strengthening, especially in healthy people as well as in the diseased people. It is very important. Only thing is you should be very careful if you are a diabetic while using. You should go for other alternatives and kinds of things. There is another preparation called the Mukkudi, which is prepared with buttermilk, which is a very good probiotic and is also very good for the gut health.
So as you know, as we were mentioning during this season, the Pitta, not only Pitta, all the three doshas get suppressed. So here we have to improve the digestive system, we have to improve the metabolism in the body. So for that also we have to, this is a pattern where you follow a particular diet. You have to follow a particular lifestyle modification, you have to take certain medicines internally, and as well as the treatments as been told by a consulting doctors.
So we this is the status of health, which as mentioned in the WHO is a state of physical, social, mental and health living. Or we as told in Ayurveda as Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya
Vikara Prashamanam. So everyone can come and enjoy the monsoon over Kerala. The serene ambience of Vajra also welcomes you to really feel the nature along with the authentic Ayurveda treatments with medications and also yoga, which we have been practicing and combining and gives you the mental and emotional health. So we wish you a happy monsoon ahead and also a happy health.
Contact Vajra for a detailed Ayurveda consultation as well as on more inquiries.
We do have different monsoon packages which is available. You can look at our websites and our social media. So we will have, like, if you have any queries about the monsoon packages, you can put forward the queries to our WhatsApp number or email. So we wish you a healthy monsoon. Thank you.
Let's make the world better with Ayurveda.